Kapag mahal mo si Jesus, buksan mo yung puso mo, kapatid. Just open the door of your heart and welcome Jesus and let Him to come in your life and let Him to take control of your life. He knows what's the best for your life. Alam niya yung ano po yung mabuti para sa'yo. Kasi kapag ang buhay natin na walang relasyon sa Panginoon Jesus, walang kabuluhan. It has no direction. Useless. Meaningless. Walang saysay. Para saan ba po tayo likhain kung tayo po yung lalayo sa harapan ng Diyos at magpapatuloy sa karamihan kasalanan ng mundo ito? Again, God is talking to you right now. He's watching over you. Alam ng Diyos yung karanasan mo sa buhay. Maybe some of you here experience depression, anxieties, worries, frustration, fears, doubts, lots of problems. Hindi mo kaya yan. The reasons why we have God, dahil siya po yung kaya pong solusyonan yung problema natin. All you have to do is just to humble yourself. You must time to talk to God. Pagod ka, wala kang peace of mind, overthinking ka, stress ka, depressed ka, it's time for you to turn to Jesus and surrender your life. At bibigyan ka niya ng kapayapaan. Hindi po yung alak, hindi po yung pera, hindi po yung pagpakamatay ang magbibigay sa iyo ng solusyon. It's only Jesus can make you complete and make you satisfied alone. Si Jesus lamang po, mga kapatid, kung tayong bigay sa atin ng satisfaction, mga kapatid.